Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about various prompts which is related to data analysis or generating the Excel formula or Python code for data analysis. Those kind of things we can use it. Okay, we can learn those kind of things. So now get into the ChatGPT. Okay, I'm in the ChatGPT. So now I just want to generate some formula which is related to Excel for our daily use case. I'll just mention I need the list of Excel formulas for daily use case, like that I can mention. Then it will start generating which is related to your prompt. Okay, so you may see that here is a list of essential Excel formula for daily use case. So even though how it will be working, if you don't have idea about this formula, suppose sum, if you don't have idea how this sum will be working, what it will be doing, again you can ask, can you explain how the sum formula will be working? Like that you can ask. Okay, so here you can see sum purpose, add up a range of number. Basically this will going to add the ranges from a1 to a10 cell. Suppose if you want to add the starting range and the end range, here you have to mention whatever the range you have mentioned, it will going to add all the numbers. For that purpose we will be using the Excel formula. In Excel, this is the formula, sum equal to sum a1 to a10. So you have to mention equal to sum starting point and ending point. This is how you can do the sum formula will be working in Excel. Next one, average formula it has generated. So what average formula will be used? Calculate the average of the, okay, so calculate the average of a range of numbers. So some range you have given, in that range you just want to calculate the average value for that range. In that case we can use this formula, equal to average b1 to b10. Just specify the range, starting point and ending point. Like that, count function will be there. Count what it will do in the specified range, how many characters will be there or how many cells will be there, that it will going to provide you. Count the number of cell containing a numbers in a range, equal to example. Example will be equal to count. This is the range. If you use like this, it will going to provide you. Count A. So suppose count A, some other things will be there. So what it will do, count A? Counts the number of non-empty cell in the range. In this range, if there is any empty value, that it will skip it. Only the value it will take it which contain the information. The cell contain information. Those kind of things only it will going to use it. This is how you can use a count A formula to find the non-empty cell in the specified range of your Excel. Okay, like that. If will be coming, so this will do some other things. VLOOKUPs will be coming. So how to use the VLOOKUPs, how it will be doing, that they have explained. A few more in-depth explanation, you just take VLOOK. Can you explain this bit more with example? Like that you can ask it, then it will give you the output accordingly. How this H lookup will be working, indexing, match, concatenate, text join, left, right, len, trim, around, now, today, PMT, sumif, countif, and or next, subtotal. Like that it was generated. So accordingly your need, what you need with your specific domain you can mention, accordingly it will going to generate it. Okay, so suppose if you want to work on SQL, you just mention I need SQL queries. Okay, or why queries I want. Then it will going to provide you accordingly. List of SQL query it will be providing for daily cases. Select. So purpose, retrieve the data from table. select star from employee. This is the name of the table. Again, select with the where clause and select with the and or. Okay, here you can see and, or you can go with the or. How it will be working, that also you can. So I'll just mention, can you explain how the select function will be working? I can ask like that also. You may see that one. So before that, we can explore what are the other things will be there. Okay, select and done. Select with the order by, select with the limit. So it will do some different tasks, and count, sum, average, group by, having, insert into, update, delete, distinct, join, like that. Many things it has provided. You just scroll, you try from your end also, you will get the output. You can just go through that one. If you are unable to understand this one, just explain as, can you explain, can you explain line how create table will be working, like that you can ask. It will provide you accordingly. So here it was provided a two different output. You can choose whatever you want. So I'll prepare this one or I'll prepare this one. Whichever you want, you can prepare and see the difference. So create table. The create table statement in a SQL user to create a new table in a database. Like in-depth explanation it will going to give you. So suppose if you still fail to understand this one, you can ask furthermore simplification I require, like that you can mention. So it will going to provide you accordingly. It is about your requirement. How you will be asking, accordingly it will going to generate the content. Okay, so using this is how you can, using these formula you can do the data analysis. So suppose while doing data analysis you got stuck, you don't know what you have to do. Just mention, I'm stuck like this, I don't know how to go further or how to proceed with this thing, like that you can ask. It will suggest you, it will create a contents also for your work. So it's about creativity and the thinking, how you will be thinking, like that it will be providing you the output. Okay, so even you can upload the data here. So once you upload the data, you can ask, so I want to analyze this data in an Excel file, what are the formulas required, like that also you can ask it. So based on the data, based on the content, it will going to provide you the formulas also. Using that also you can do the analysis quickly. So we can do many kind of tasks using this ChatGPT. In the next class we can explore further more prompts. I hope you learned something new. Thank you. If you want to watch full video, please check the link below.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.